Hey everyone, Justin Rundle, your Miami Uber lawyer. I thought I would hop on today to answer a question. Someone wrote out to us and asked, are Uber drivers employees of Uber? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Lyft drivers and Uber drivers are not employees in the eyes of the law. In fact, the U.S. Department of Labor has made an opinion declaring that they are independent contractors. So what does that mean for everybody? Well, first of all, for the drivers, you cannot sue Uber and Lyft for overtime and things that you could typically do in an employer-employee relationship. However, there are certain laws that there are certain laws in play that affect things for a 1099 contractor relationship. So don't worry, Uber and Lyft can't have racial discrimination or unfair practices when it comes to dealing with those drivers as contractors. But also, the fact that those drivers are not employees has implications for the passengers. Because typically, if an employee did something wrong to a customer, if you're the rider, you're a customer, the driver's an employee, if that employee did something wrong, you could sue the employer under respondeat superior. The boss is liable for the employee. But because they're not employees, they're just independent contractors, Uber and Lyft defend themselves on the grounds that they're not responsible for the drivers. We've come across that a few times, and what we are doing is we argue, okay, fine, you're not the employer, they're not the employee, but even though they're independent contractors, you as Uber and Lyft still had a duty to be diligent when you hired them, made sure that they were good at their job and they were good drivers with a safe background, and you cannot negligently hire or negligently retain a bad driver. So I hope that answered your question. If you have any more questions, feel free to shoot me a DM or reach out directly through MiamiUberLawyers.com. Until then, stay safe and enjoy the ride.